Okay, we've shaped this down a little bit more. I think I'm going to cut back on these cheeks to see what I want to do with them and how big I want to make them. I put big pieces on so I could always take it off, but I can't make it bigger. So we're going to line them out for right now and see what we got with that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thank you. I think we got what we want here. I'm going to take one of our circles here and see where we're going to go with it. There, I think. Cut some of that out. So we're going to take this part off in here on each side and then go on from there. And see how we're going to round this all down in here. We got to go all the way around it. And then we want to do this side also. So I'm going to work on this and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.